now, Dr. Aarti, I want to ask, what are the symptoms, common symptoms of migraine?
Migraine patients, most of the time they come to us with the chronic episodic migraine, means the headaches are coming in the repetitive frequency. Maybe they're having initially headache starts, like headache has started few years back as a once in a month headache. If they're not taking treatment, maybe next year it comes as a twice in a month. Later on, the frequency increases and it becomes on the daily basis. That stage we call that as chronic complicated migraine, when the headaches are more than 15 days in a month.
Okay.
So episodic headaches are throbbing headaches. Patient will experience very severe headaches associated with one-sided, what you call pain, unilateral pain. Sometimes there is a eye pain, pain around and around the eyes, associated with nausea, vomiting, low mood, light sensitivity, sound sensitivity. And during that time, patient feel their energy is all drained. They feel all fatigued during the headache time. They don't even feel like working. They just feel like I should be lying down in my bed with the lights off. Most of the time, in initial stages of migraine, they get better when they lie down or when they take a rest. But as the migraine becomes chronic, even the lying down or maybe sleep therapy also does not help. And then they seek treatment from the doctor. Along with these symptoms, most of the time they will have other symptoms in form of low mood, anxiety, panic attacks, non-epileptic spells. Means suddenly they collapse, and the family members they think like some seizures are happening, but the migraine is contributing to all these things. They will also have mood swings, the OCD, obsessive compulsive disorders. All these things they can run with the migraine. So understanding migraine is extremely important, and treating migraine at the same time is important. That's why patient has to come to the neurologist. Most of the time when any headache happens, they go to a local doctor. It is diagnosed as a sinus headache. Sometimes it is diagnosed as a refractory error. So they go to ophthalmologist, they take their spectacles, they feel headache should get better. It doesn't get better. Sometimes migraine is diagnosed as a cervical spondylosis. Sometimes migraine patients they experience neck pain also. And somebody diagnoses them for a cervical spondylosis and they take treatment for cervical spondylosis. So that should not be the case. If you experience the headache, better you come to the expert. We are there to diagnose and we are there to treat. So earlier we treat the what you call much better the what you call the patient's recovery, and the chances of recurrences are also less.
So, have you understood, or dear audience, how important अपने आप के headache को differentiate करना, and whenever you get headache, please consult your doctor nearby.